everyone, this is Miley from HSGQ, and here I'm going to give you some recommendations of SFP modules in data center applications. So for short distance connection within data centers, we recommend this module. As you can see, this module is a 10 gig SFP plus SR module, which can achieve transmission up to 300 meters. On the other hand, for the long-distance connections between the data centers, we will recommend you this one. This model is a 10 gig SFP plus LR model. For this module, it can achieve transmissions up to 10 kilometers. For our SFP modules, they all support digital diagnostic monitoring, which allows you to monitor the working status and troubleshoot problems in real time. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.